Welcome back, everyone. We're going to dig into the altcoins, see what's going on. Are we running? Are we not? Is it a good day? Is it a bad day? Has everything finally reversed, or is it happening finally? And what am I talking about? The big sell-off that everybody's waiting for. Not crypto winter, but I think a few weeks of pain before the gain. That's the million-dollar question. That's what we're trying to answer here. And that's what we're gonna answer. We're gonna see what the chart tells us about some of these altcoins out there, and we're gonna dig into it. And look at what I did there. Come on, you don't need two mo's. Two mo's are better than one though. Yeah, we got. I want to start out with some shout outs. Crystal, shout out to you. I can see a couple of the plays out there people are doing. I love seeing the big wins. Dr. Stock 2-minute trade, 2-minute on a 0 DTE. 54% profit. Go Dr. Stock. He's one of our expert traders in here. You get access to if you come into the Discord. Arkansas dog dropping another win. I love seeing it. Another win by Dr. Stock. iBeach out there doing their thing. Anthony Dickey doing their thing. The dog doing their thing. Alpha, shout out to you as well. iBeach, Dr. Known. We got Jackal in the house. We got Jackal again. We got Bugs. We got all kinds of things in here going on. And I love seeing the wins. Folks, congrats. If you guys aren't in the Discord, second link down below. We only got a couple days left. It's code LEARN. It should be automatic at checkout, but you can get 50% off your first month. Try it. We got thousands of members, expert traders, 36 learning lessons. Live session today, I went 4-0. 4-0 yet again, teaching the 0 TTEs. It's a good place. And for those who say, I don't got the money, Mo, well, fine. I got a webinar that's on the house here to teach you my 4-step framework for successful technical analysis for everyone. It is awesome. So take advantage of that. We do have the live teaching session I'm doing this week for beginners to help you understand and master the candles. This is my candle workshop. I'm doing it again. We had a fantastic turnout, small group session. If you ever wanted to have a live teaching session, this is it. Code money will save you some bucks there. You can do the options one with Dr. Stock, Crypto Wills, Crypto, or all three. And we got that discount, so you guys can take advantage of it. Now let's get into talking about everything. Quick update. The portfolios. 63, down a little bit on this one. Actually, let me update it. It might be up a little bit since then. 343. Let's see what we at here. Well, we'll pull this one. Oh, look at this. It's actually, I knew it. It was up 800 because everything kind of reversed after I pulled this out. Kraken down a little bit though, down a little bit for the day. And the overall portfolio, which it says log in here, it tells me it's not there anymore. That was down a good clip. And I did that on my main channel. You guys can see that if you want to go look on that video. But now we're here to talk shop, man. Look at this. I got the heat mat up. Just nasty looking. Nasty looking. What do you mean? Well, for as good as this is with all this green and stuff, and you're like all excited, XRP plus, Ethereum plus, Bitcoin plus, Mo, we're killing it. This is it. It's happening. Is it? Is it happening? Well, it's happening a little bit, but not what I would get all happy about yet. And what I'm waiting for a massive turn is the reversal of the 5 and the 13, basically the 50 EMA. That's my launching pad. If the 50 EMA starts to be taken out by the bulls, then I'm running. I'm running with the bulls. I'm not running against them. And so that's what I'm kind of watching for. Now, that's that. But we're not here to talk that. All right, let's go to Dogecoin. Let's get into Dogecoin. Let's talk business. Dogecoin, just because I've been telling you what I've been watching here, the triangle of doom, I call it, we broke below it over the weekend. Today, remember I told you, we don't want to give up the 5 and the 50. We gave up the 5 and the 50. Look what we got coming right now. And this is not a good thing, folks. The 13 EMA is fastly approaching the 50. If that happens and that 13 crosses, within 3 candles of that candle, I usually see a big red candle. That, look what we got here. The support, too, at 20.9. If all of this gives way, we are going all the way down to 19.1. And so that's what I'm kind of watching for right now. We've given up here, but the last kind of fight is at this support level. With this 13 coming down, the support here, I am very bearish. And I know we got a green candle, Mo, that's huge. It looks like a bottle rocket. Yeah, I know. We could reverse, but the odds are that we will not reverse down. And that's one of the things I'm watching right now. All right, and I'm still dealing with this record thing. I really need to see what's going on there. Man, I'll tell you what, man. That's one of them days. We're going to go to Bonk next. We're going to keep it real. This is it. This is the life of a YouTuber, what I'm dealing with. Bonk, on the other hand, is just selling. And you guys can see what I'm watching here. Bonk continues to move down. As you can see, we're underneath the 13. Got up to tease the 13. Hey, this is it. We're going to rally. Yeah, and down we come. So we're retesting the bottom here. So we have a double bottom. If this gives, of course, we're going to drop more. And if you said, Mo, what are the odds? The odds are more likely we will drop than actually holding this. So I'll put that down there. I'm going to show you what we can't give up. All right. So we're here. If we give that up, and that's that support you see right here. If we give that up here, it gets ugly. You can see we teased the 13. 13 still resistance. So you have that sell-off back down, and maybe we bounce up here. But you would need to take out the 13 to start to move higher. You got the high, new lower high, new lower high. Is this going to be a new lower low, new lower low, new lower low? It looks like it would be, so I do think this is going to get broken out. But if it reverses, then I'm bullish. But it's not reversing, guys. And I know a lot of everybody's watching expecting me to say good things, but folks, I call them how I see it. Now, this one, the Triangle Doom, did not break. I showed you in the beginning one that did. Shiba Inu did not break yet. And so, as you can see, we got down to support. It pushed back up to the 13, got down to support again, pushed back up to the 13, but you're noticing the 13 is coming down. So over the next few days, either we take the 13 out and push up to the 50, but what you really need to break through, if we could have today, we're not doing it. All right. So we need to get up there and have this thing reverse with the 5 going through the 13 and then getting above the 50. But until then, this is what we're looking at. Now, I wanted to pull up some. I've been seeing a lot of talk on Solana. I see a lot of discussion on Solana. Like, hey, it's going to go. Is it going to this? Is it going to that? Is it going to 1,000? You know, everybody, high hopes on Solana. Solana's doing good things, of course. And it's bullish. So out of a lot of them that I've been showing you, look at the 50 EMA. We're above the 50 EMA. Look right here. It got down, back up. Got down to the 13, back up. Down to the 13, back up. Folks, not bad. I got to be blunt. It's not bad, man. Out of the charts I showed you with the altcoins right now, Solana's holding up nicely. Solana is holding up nicely. It's doing its thing. That's what I kind of look for when I'm looking at the altcoins. You want one above the 50. The daily candles are looking good. You know, we had resistance here, back down, broke it, back down, broke it, back down, up again. And so we'll see where it goes, but I did want to bring that, let you know I am watching that as well. One that is looking to try not to crash down below the 50 EMA, which could lead to more selling. Right here, I told you we had that. Remember, I always tell you within, well, the 50 and the 13, but this change over here with the RSI and all the other data, boom, boom, third candle, big wipe. And so now we're down. We're at the 50. It's teasing it. It's pushing back up, a little reprieve. By the end of this week, if we push back down below the 50, I think we're going to have a really nasty sell-off for ADA. If Cardano can't hold it, then it gets ugly from here. So this is Cardano. Right now, it's still bullish as long as we stay above the 50 EMA. If that price confirms below the 50 EMA, which it just did, this is a confirmation, but it rallied. So more times than not, we'd continued lower. It did rally. I'm not going to be shocked to see a retesting of the 50 EMA by Friday. In other words, seeing this back below, but we're going to see if we can hold it. So a lot of things out there happening, folks. It is crazy. One last one I want to kind of pull up is Sui. This is one I've been watching as well. So when we dig into this one, remember the Triangle of Doom with Sui I showed you? And I said as long as we can break out above, if we go below, it should be a nasty, nasty fall. We broke down below and we confirmed on Sunday. So now we had a little bit more red, and then today, on Tuesday, market's all open, everything kind of getting back to normal. And you can see we had a little reprieve, but to be blunt, if we can't get back above 334, I think you're going to go down nasty like. It's definitely bearish. So if you have not done it, folks, that's the update for a lot of the altcoins. Get over to the Stockmo Academy. Get into that webinar right now. It's on the house. You can learn from me, a national champion coach / teacher. Get my 4-step framework for successful technical analysis today. Don't hesitate. And if you're not in my membership over at the Discord, code LEARN only got a couple days left. It expires on the 7th, just a couple of days. Code LEARN will get you 50% off your first month, or it's automatic. It's usually $50. I think it's automatic though, and then you'll get it for $25 for that first month. All right, folks. Last but not least, don't forget about the live session I'm teaching this weekend. Code Money. Sign up. Get in there. You want to learn live with me? It's going to be a fun Sunday. All right, folks. That's what I got for you today. I appreciate you stopping by. I will see you in the Discord.